Today I have brought thought of the day for school assembly. In these thoughts you will find very beautiful and inspirational thoughts. Let's start. Number 1. Education is the best investment. Second, courtesy costs nothing. Third, today is the great day to learn something new because today will never come again. Fourth one is, don't lose your hope. You will win certainly. Nothing is impossible in our life, as impossible says itself, I am possible. I am possible. Sixth one is, miracles happen to those who believe in them. Never leave things for tomorrow, which you can do today. Success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in, day out. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. 10th one is, black color is sentimental bad, but every black board makes the student life brighter. 11th one is, push harder than yesterday if you want a different tomorrow. Good manners and kindness are always in fashion. Those who want to get succeed, they can make stone bridges on the sea also. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Last but not the least, it is good to believe in success, but it is more important to learn from your failure. I hope you would have liked this video, and if you have liked it, please share it. And if you want Hindi paragraphs, stories, poems, conversations, you can go to my second channel, that is Aao Hindi Seekhein. Its link has been given in the description box. Thank you.